today's video, we're gonna make the Quadrot go from this to this. Hi everyone, I'm Gizmo, and today with me is my father,
Tom Nelson, and we're from the Geek Armory.
If you don't know who we are, we're painters who like to paint Nerf guns or Star Wars helmets or old toys.
We give them new life, you know. So really, what we have here is we have a lot of people who ask us, how do we paint the work that we do? How do you do it? So we've decided to make this video to show you guys how do we do it. So let's go.
One more thing. The gun that we're gonna show you how to paint today, we're gonna do something special and we're gonna raffle it off. So stay tuned to the very end of the video, and we'll give you more details about that.
Hey, I'll show them the gun that we're gonna do. This is the Nerf Quadrot, and I think it's a beautiful gun because it's got all kinds of details to it. I mean, it shows you like these. It almost looks like a gun that was put together with spare parts and whatnot, you know, metal spare parts. And we're going to bring out the details to show you how this gun would look like if it was real metallic and all that, you know what I mean? And we're going to do this by the technique of dry brush. I'm going to have Ariel here to prep the gun. So, well, first thing we're going to do is we're going to spray paint the gun black. So, come on, let's go and we're going to do this. Okay, as you can see by the first part of this video here, I did a little bit of dry brushing. You know, basically what you do is I took a lot of silver, I dipped the brush in the paint, I rubbed off most of the paint on the paper towel, and then I just rubbed it all over the gun, and you get this beautiful detailing just comes out so beautifully, especially against the black. The less paint you have on the brush, the better. The more paint you have on the brush, it can get messy. But this is the first part. Now the second part is to add some color, some metallic colors to this. So stay tuned. Okay, so there you have it. Look how beautiful. Look how used up she looks. She looks like she's been through the ringer and back. You know? She's a beauty. All right, let's raffle her off. Somebody's gonna get this baby. Let it be you.
Now, if you want the Quadrot, be sure to go to our Facebook page and our Instagram page to go like, subscribe, and also repost on either accounts.
Look in the description, it'll tell you everything you have to do. So you
more details in the description, yes.
Right. And you can win the Quadrot.
Like I said, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.